Hi students, today we are going to learn about a simple microscope. Okay, before going to that, what is meant by optical instruments? The optical instruments are used to increase the visual angle artificially in order to improve the clarity. Okay, when you are going to see an object, we are going to get clarity, we are going to increase the visual angle. You know the visual angle. That visual angle is going to increase us to see the object clearly. The examples are microscopes and telescope. And here simple microscope. A simple microscope consists of a single short focus, convex lens. Consists of a single short focus convex lens. This is a convex lens fitted in a metal frame which is provided with a handle to hold it in an object. Okay, it is going to hold it in on an object. It is provided with a handle. This is a simple microscope diagram. In this simple microscope diagram, let OJ be the position of the object and IG be the its image, and this IG image is formed at a near point. Okay, imagine that the eye is this is eye. The eye is focused at the optic center. The eye is focused at the optic center in order to get the image IG. Therefore, the angle subtended by the at the eye is angle I O dash G. The angle subtended, it is called angle I O dash G is equal to, we are going to write alpha. Okay, I O dash G, this angle is called alpha. Let the position of the object is OJ is shifted to new position, that is IJ dash. From the diagram, OJ is equal to, we are going to write IJ dash here. The OJ which is equal to IJ dash means the position of the object is shifted to the near point, means that is the position of image, that is IJ dash. Let the angle subtended it by with the optic center O dash is beta. Therefore, angle I O dash J dash, angle I O dash J dash is equal to, we are going to write beta. Okay. Now, the magnifying power of a lens is, the magnifying power of a lens which is equal to alpha by beta, means position of image by position of the object, or we can write as height of image to the height of the object. Therefore, we are going to write alpha means tan alpha by tan beta, which is approximately equal to tan alpha nothing but Ig by Io dash, which is equal to Ig by Io dash by Ig by Io dash. Beta means here, beta means Ij dash, Ij dash by Io dash, that is equal to Ig by Io dash into Io dash by Ij dash. Io dash get cancelled. Okay, Io dash get cancelled here, and we are getting m equal to Ig by Ij dash. Here Ij dash nothing but we are going to write OJ. Therefore, Ig by we are going to write OJ. Therefore, Ij dash is equal to, we are going to write OJ here. Okay, right? Therefore, magnifying power m equal to Ig by OJ. Let us consider this is a first equation. Okay, and now we know the triangles, that is I O dash G, I O dash G, and triangle O J O dash, O J O dash, and I O dash G are similar triangles. Are similar triangles. Therefore, the corresponding sides should be equal. That is, we are going to write Ig by, this is Ig by Oj, which is equal to IO dash by OO dash. IO dash by OO dash. That is equal to, IO dash is nothing but D, which is in negative side means minus D, by OO dash is the distance of object distance, means minus U. That is equal to D by U according to sign convention. Therefore, we are going to write Ig by Oj, which is equal to D by U here. Now, from equation 1, Ig by Oj equal to magnifying power. Therefore, which is equal to magnifying power of lens. Therefore, M equal to D by U. Let us consider this is a second equation. Therefore, from equation 1. Okay. And now, according to sign conventions, our aim is to find the magnifying power of the lens. According to sign conventions, U is taken as negative, V is taken as negative for convex lens, and F is positive. F is taken as positive. And now from lens formula, 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Now apply the sign conventions. 1 by F, F is positive, 1 by F equal to V is negative, means 1 by minus 1 by U, minus of 1 by minus U. U is negative here. That is equal to minus 1 by V plus 1 by U. From that, 1 by U is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by V. Okay, 1 by U equal to 1 by V plus 1 by V. Now substitute this 1 by U value in the equation 2. Substituting in equation 2, we get, substituting in equation 2, we are getting, therefore, M equal to D into this equation 2, we are going to write D into 1 by U. That is equal to D into 1 by U is nothing but 1 by F plus 1 by V. Multiply the D value inside, take it inside, D by F plus D by V. Therefore, magnifying power of the lens. Therefore, magnifying power of the lens is D by F plus D by V. Suppose when the image is formed at near point. Here we have two cases. When the image is formed at near point. Case 1. When the image forms at near point. You know the definitions? Okay, we are going to write it as capital D, means least distance of distinction. Now from the above equation, we are going to write M equal D by F plus D by D. That is equal to M equal to D by F plus 1. Therefore, magnifying power is equal to 1 by 1 plus D by F. Okay, when the image is forms at near point. Suppose when the image is forms at far point. Case 2. When the image is forms at near point, far point. When the image is forms at far point, we are going to write V as infinity. We are writing as here infinity. Therefore, from this equation, M equal to D by F plus D by infinity. We are going to write M equal to D by F. Therefore, M equal to D by F. When the image is forms at far point, therefore magnifying power is written as D by F. Okay, thank you for watching. If you any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.